Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to change hotspot name in vivo phone. Guys, you want to change your hotspot name, so guys you can change. And friends, now let's see how to change hotspot name in vivo phone. So first of all guys, come in your phone setting app to change your hotspot name, and guys click on network and internet setting, and guys click on hotspot, and guys Wi-Fi hotspot. Guys click on hotspot name and guys tap here, and guys you can change your hotspot name from here. So you can set yourself, so we will take any name like it is. Guys we will change into example for guys I am telling guys ABCD Vivo. So guys come back, and guys now you can see hotspot name has changed in our Vivo phone. So I hope friends we have understood how to change hotspot name in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.